write it down.
Like, get up somebody's business and focus on their channel.
Y'all, so I gotta do this really quick. We in Walmart using Yuka. Y'all know that's what we do. And I'm getting good food. Let me show y'all what I got. Oh. Y'all know I needed chips. I needed a mop. These are the healthy chips. This soda water ain't the best, but it's better than soda and juice. The pancake mix I use. The granola bars and fruit snacks. They also got these. We did get Smileys. My daughter don't normally get these, but she loves these. I'm letting her pass. What? Yeah, if you want one, I got them already, but if you want one.
I want this one. It's a new kind. It's
Let me
pink
see.
grapefruit.
All right.
Let's just try it.
And she hate grapefruit, but go ahead.
No, I don't.
Okay, that's fine. You just want to try that one? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so what else on my list? Oh, cheese.
We need some cheese. Yeah, we need cheese.
Where my phone? Now stop playing now.
You find it every 2 seconds anyway, baby.
Okay, come on, y'all. We
need
in the road trip.
We need some cheese.
That's all.
Okay, we got pancakes.
Yeah, that was it.
Now
You said we don't need.
bits.
That's all the way at the front. I'm not going back.
Oh.
You can try to find it when we walk back
What
past.
else we need? We
gotta go over there and get that lotion.
Oh.
Huh?
We need some chocolate.
Chocolate what?
Chips.
Not, but that's over with.
What the?
Come on, girl. That is over with, baby. Well, when we walk back past up there, you better look down them aisles. Come on so we can get this cheese. We don't need no milk. This is over budget. So we got butter. We need butter. Go get that. I can't believe it's not butter, the small one. Yeah. Y'all, I don't supposed to be getting no cheese, but okay, come on. What else we need? Okay, we gotta get lotion and stuff. Y'all, I remember when we used to buy this type of stuff. We still get french fries. You want popsicles? I've kind of been missing. You know what I mean? I hope I just recorded what I just did. Y'all, we in TJ Maxx now. Okay, let's see what they got over here. I need another burger. Let's see. Okay, y'all, we gotta use the Reddit app. Okay, I'm looking for vitamin C serum. Yeah, we trying to see if we like this. It's no signal. So I hope y'all heard me earlier. We in TJ Maxx, they got so much pumpkin. But me and my daughter really don't like pumpkin. So I really don't know what we finna get, but we need some candles. Oh, this toasted s'mores. Oh, it's so stank. We don't like vanilla bean. We don't like none of that type of stuff. We like fresh, clean, girly, fruity kind of scents. Not too fruity, but just a hint. But we can't do this pumpkin, child. It'd be cute. Let me see. It'd be cute, but yeah, that one okay. Like pineapple and coconut. Yes, this is what we like, sweets. This is what we like. Pumpkin and bourbon. I just can't. And Bree be like, oh, this good. That's good.
It's alright. What's that?
So we need 2 medium candles for the house. And she don't let me really pick them out. Y'all, I am vlogging in public. I mean, ain't nobody down here, but still. Give me my credit, baby. Y'all, I look absolutely cute. I'm a mom. A medium size. Okay, find that in medium. Who buying that? Is it really?
Yeah.
Do it again, guys. Do it. Y'all, TJ Maxx got some good stuff. You hear me? They got some good stuff. Okay, y'all, we finna finish picking out these candles. We'll be back.